You're watching Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle.
Brioscia al gelato, the Sicilian ice cream sandwich, and I'm having it for my very first time, veganized for you, right here on Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle. Che bontà vegana. Such vegan goodness. Let me show you how to make it.
Bake or buy vegan brioche buns. Split it in half and warm each side on your stovetop. Place the bottom brioche half on a plate and add 2 scoops of ice cream. Use the Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle leveled up chocolate ice cream recipe or your favorite store-bought vegan ice cream. Top with vegan whipped cream. Close the sandwich with the top brioche. And there you have your vegan brioscia con gelato.
When you make these recipes, tag Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle in your posts. Follow on social media for exclusives and to find out what's airing next. Watch Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle on YouTube for these recipes and more. Like and comment on YouTube, share episode and content links, and subscribe even if you're watching on TV.